Hello crafty friends, today I'm here to show you guys remember the label maker that I bought at Dollar Tree. I had no idea how to use this. I searched videos on YouTube on how to use this, and a lot of bad reviews were on this little thing. Of course it's $1.25. It's not gonna be like the perfect thing, but some people have used this and they have bought the tape from Amazon, and it doesn't like come out perfect, but they like it for what they're using it for. And I figure maybe I can use paper on this thing. The Amazon tape, it comes with this thing that it holds the tape, and then you just attach it here and it will like, I guess, float, I don't know, and then you just press on it and it will go boom boom boom. But I tried it on paper. I was like, let me try the paper. So this is what I came up with. You guys can see my name. It came out really good. It's kind of blurry there. So it came out really good, I think. I like it. It is like embossed. Like it embossed the paper. And yeah, I mean the edge right here, the bottom, it kind of wrinkle it a little bit, but that's fine. And then this is the back. Oops. And I thought maybe this could be used for like journaling or for your scrapbooking, to put it in paper. And I mean, I like how it came out. So what you do, I cut a piece of paper. I don't know the measurement, I mean the size of it, but I just like put a piece of paper here and I measure, not measure, I just like eyeball it from here to here to make it fit, and then the paper has to go in there, in between the round thing and this thing. And in order to do that, you have to press this back button, see, so it open, and then you just put your paper or your tape in there, and then you just click the bottom. You just go like this until the paper is in, and it will, there you go. And then you just push this down back, and then you just like start writing, put in whatever letter you want. And you guys can see, like you can see right there, you start writing automatically. And then if you see this picture right here of the scissor, it means that you cut it. So you just like go like this. You heard that click, it cuts it, but I was like already there. So it cuts it. Maybe you have to do it twice in order to cut it, but look, it's like a little embossing thingy of tiny letters. And then if you want it shorter, you just cut it. And like I said, you can use this for the scrapbook layouts or journaling. Plus you can use a bunch of color paper for it, like, yeah. So I say I like this thing. On paper, I will give it a 4 out of 5, but yeah, it's just your opinion on it. Other people's opinion. I mean, I like it for what it is, $1.25. So yep, thank you guys for watching. Bye.